Hi family, it's Herbalist Viola coming to you with the great benefits of ginger. So we already know this is a ginger. This is ginger essential oil. So today we're gonna make ginger oil. I know you heard of ginger aid, but we're not doing ginger aid. But this is a piece of ginger. You see how it looks? So normally you scrape it off and use it from there, cut it up and grind it. But right now we have ginger essential oil and we're making ginger oil. So I have my carrier bottle and today we're gonna use coconut oil. This is the carrier that we're gonna use. Now you know the rule of thumb. We already know that essential oils are very powerful. So for every 1 ounce of carrier, you're supposed to use 10 drops. But since ginger is really not that strong, we can use 15 to 20 drops. I'm only going to use 15 drops for this one. So right now I'm just going to open my bottle, pour my coconut oil inside the bottle. So we already know the great benefits of ginger oil, ginger essential oils. Ginger is very powerful, very powerful. You already know it's it's great. You already know study shows it's great for for colds, flus, um, sore throat. So let's say if you had a sore throat, it's great for a sore throat. If your voice is off, it's great for your voice. It's just wonderful. You can use that in capsule form. You can make ginger tea. You already know different things. So right now we're gonna put just 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 drops. There you got 15 drops of ginger essential oil. And we're going to close it up. And we're going to just shake it up. Then you do 50. Just hit it 15 times. Now this is great for like if you have nausea. So you already know if you're traveling, it's good to put it in your pocket and just um just take some. You can actually just open up and smell it. You can actually take this and rub it on sore joints and muscles. If you have it, you can use this. If you have back pain, um, you can actually take some of this and rub it on your chest to loosen up all that mucus and get it out of your system. It actually helps with stress. Yes, it sounds just like the essential oil on their last video. Yes, they're kind of similar, but just the great powerful things that you can do with essential oils, and this one is with ginger. So another thing that can use this, you can just take it and just learn to relax. You can actually use it as a calming. Let's say if you had a massage, you can actually heat this up and use it as a deep tissue massage. Yes, just wonderful things. For us ladies, it's good for cramps. Yes, this thing is wonderful, powerful for cramps. You already know what with a ginger do, just a regular ginger. So you can imagine the powerful strength of a tincture, I mean essential oil, and adding the carrier. Very, very powerful. This is very, very strong, so just be careful. um, I'm trying to think of other great benefits that it has. um, just 1 drop is equal to 1 tablespoon of herbs, so you know how powerful this is. Just think, 1 drop is 1 tablespoon of herb of the ginger, so you know it's very powerful. Not going to go too long, but I just want you to know the great benefits of ginger. Very powerful. Just take it and use it. You can smell it. Just inhaling it. mm, just inhale it. You can actually put some of this inside of a diffuser to help you sleep. Yes, it will relax you and put you to sleep. Just wonderful, wonderful benefits. Like I said, you know, you can put this on your stomach and actually ease your stomach, ease some of the nausea. Um, just wonderful, wonderful benefits. of essential oils. Well, essential ginger essential oils in the carrier, which we did coconut oil. Very, very powerful, very, very helpful. If I was you, I would just say it's real easy to make. I would make some today and just put in your purse, put on your shelf, put in your medicine cabinet. Another effect that ginger um, essential oil with the carrier, what it helps is, just think, it it's strong and anti-inflammatory and has antioxidant oxidants, effects. So we know it keeps your immune system healthy. So this is great. I know you guys out there taking the ginger shots. Please continue. Have a ginger shot every day, if not twice a week. It's great for you. I love that, guys are getting creative, and I love the fact that you take ginger shots. So we already know it supports your digestion, which is wonderful. You need good healthy gut bacteria. So just keep just keep taking your ginger. If you can, put it in your meals. It's wonderful. I love it. It has a strong taste, but ginger is wonderful. I love it in teas. I love it in salad. So we already know it's a great, wonderful immune booster. So morning sickness. So don't forget about the the motion sickness. So it does help motion sickness, morning sickness, traveling. If you're getting on a boat, help the nausea. Believe me, like I said earlier, just make sure you keep some. It's nothing wrong with that. It's nothing wrong with adding to your apothecary, because that's what we want. Make sure you add it to your apothecary. It reduces pain, and it's wonderful. Anything that lessens pain, that's the best. So just take some ginger, add it to your apothecary, because it does boost your immune system. The great benefit of ginger Another great benefit of ginger oil is, if you know somebody who has had went through chemo, this is perfect for the nausea. It's perfect for them if they lost their appetite. Believe me, this is perfect. You can put it in your foods. You can add a drop in your food. Um, a rule of thumb, if it calls for a tablespoon, just use one drop. If it calls for less than a tablespoon, you can take a a cotton swab, dip it in here and just swirl it in there. Do not use more than what's recommended. Remember, one drop is 1 tablespoon. So you can just, do the math from there. So there you have it. A ginger oil made with ginger essential oil and coconut oil. Wasn't that bad? Wasn't that hard to make? You saw all the great benefits. Great, great, great benefits, especially for nausea. We already know this day and time, great for stress. So if you want to smell it, put it in your diffuser. Please have a good night with it. Again, Herbalist Viola just coming to you, showing you easy ways to just definitely boost your immune system, help digestion, nausea, aches and pains, and definitely for those cramps for the ladies. So you guys have a great day. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to hear my next video. All right. See you guys. Bye.